All right, what's going on, guys? Ladies and gentlemen, Cecil Jones here, coming in from County House Auctions. I am the guy that does the auctions for the properties in Michigan and in Florida also. And I just wanted to come on to just thank you, number one, for registering your name, email, and phone number. That tells me that you're very interested in either finding a home for yourself or finding investment properties. Either way, I've got you covered. I've been able to put people in homes for the last 20 years plus by doing owner financing, creating mortgages in the state of Michigan, land contracts. And so I don't have to involve banks. I don't have to really worry about your credit as long as you have a job. We can get you into a home. Over the last 20 something years, I've also flipped over 200 and something houses. I've coached other people how to do it. I've come to Michigan and we've purchased a lot of properties for dirt cheap land contracts, and even had people give us free homes through our nonprofit. I also teach people how to make money in this business. I've been doing this full time now since February 17th, 2006. And let me tell you this: if you have ever wanted to be able to replace your income and have the rents or the mortgage payments plus the interest that comes along with this, that will replace your job income, I'm telling you, it's so sweet on the other side. So I'm welcoming you to come on out. This weekend, I'm going to be showing about 6 or 7 of the properties. We have more coming in as I'm getting ready to leave Michigan. So this would be the opportunity for someone to become a homeowner. You have to have a deposit down on the property. Also, if you're that person who wants to, which some of you are, you want to build a portfolio so that you don't have to ever work for anyone again. Guys, you can buy your own insurance. Right, you can have enough income coming in. Let's just give example what we've been doing in Michigan for the last year in Detroit and up in Flint. Is we've been in the Flint area, we've been clearing about $700 a door. We pick up on average when we ramp it up about 20 houses a month. We're not keeping all of them. Some of them are land projects where we'll come back next spring and start building apartments, quads. 10 units, 12 units going up on the lot. So you'll be hearing a lot about us. We have a nonprofit organization called Fresh Start Community Initiative also. So I'm saying this to let you know I'm not the average guy. I'm very, very good at what I do. And I help people getting the... Are we going? Okay. I thought we were frozen there. I help people get in the homes and for investments also. So what I'm going to do is that under this video, you see my number. You can go ahead on. You guys have already registered. If you want to call me, talk to me. This weekend, I will be out showing the properties. I got people from Detroit, got people that come from out of state. We have a network of doctors that work with us also. So I'm the type of guy that's a connector. I bring people together, and my team does pretty well at this also. So just wanted to give a little introduction there. Would like to know a little bit more about you. I would like to be able to speak to you guys today, tomorrow. I'm going to put my cell number underneath this. Just give me a call. And whatever your dreams are in this game, whether it's just a house or you're looking to create that passive income that will allow you to walk away from a job and do whatever you love. Do whatever you love. Excuse me. That's what I've been doing since I walked away from my job back in 2006, I believe. So now we're going after more apartment buildings. And I just want to show you real quick how I get ridiculous deals. I've done very, 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 very well in this business. And it's not the traditional stuff, just wholesaling. That is the bottom of the barrel stuff. But we come out and as we're looking for our projects, we'll wholesale stuff out to other people or create land contracts, owner financing, depending upon where I am around the country. So let me just show you this real quick. Another one of, oops, not that one. Another one of the things that we do is we go after tax deed properties. We get what's something called excess proceeds, the money that's left over after the tax deed sale. We also, and you guys could be doing this too. Once again, I teach people how to do this also. Oh, and we're having a land giveaway. We give away land and houses around the country. So probably somebody you might want to at least build a relationship, right? And we can help you with whatever it is that you will have going on also. We're all about multiple streams. So right here, just wanted to show you a calendar. This is in Miami-Dade in Florida, where I'll be next month. Like I said, we have a group of doctors and professionals, people that are high achievers, and we'll bring them in. Let's just go into this on the 22nd of October, and you can see a little bit like how we do our stuff. And I just explained to you how we get money coming in. So what we're doing is we're looking at these properties, right? And the key things that stick out is the opening bid of the tax sale. That means there's a tax lien on the property for $1,421, and the assessed value of the property is $132,000 here. Now, the assessed value in Florida is 70% of the market value, so you can add another 30%. 13, 26, another 40,000. So that property is worth about 170 with a lien on it of 1,400. We reach out to these people and get these properties if they're not going to be there. So the tax deeds is one way. Look at this one, 15,000 owed. Properties assessed at 148, 7,000 owed assessed. So that basically means you get an opportunity when you know how to talk, when you know how to close. I'm a deal closer. They call me the master deal closer. If a person doesn't want to be in that, to actually give them some options that they would want to either sell it outright directly to us or partner with us through trusts. We operate in trusts, all right? So that's just the spread. I want you to see the spreads on those, right? Many of these folks have already decided that they're leaving, and if they're letting it go to the sale is going to create an overbid. Then there's cash left over on the back end, and we go and we collect that cash from the county. So we get assignment of rights, the same way you assign a contract. We do assignments on judgments and other types of things as well. So we're all about equity. We're equity buyers. Yeah. So you can just see this house has taxes, opening bid of $9,000. The property is assessed at $200, so it's worth probably about $230,000. So we'll go and do our due diligence. We'll do phone calls. We'll door knock with our teams. We have drivers that we send out all over the place, and we'll work out some deals from there. So that's for the deeds. But let me show you something that may even knock your socks off a little bit more. I'm going to jump to a different website, and we're just going to go to, we'll go to, let's call it Hillsborough County. Hillsborough County, you have, that's Tampa, that area, that whole surrounding the Tampa Bay area, all right? So I just want to show you what's outside of what you're doing here and not just being stuck in one little area making $5,000 or just $200 a month. Right? So I'm just going to hit my calendar over here. And what we go after also is I'm a master at going after homeowner association dues. The beautiful thing, especially in the state of Florida, is that the HOAs, homeowner associations, it's a super lean state. So if you're behind 60, 90 days on your HOA, the HOA can foreclose on you and they don't have to notify the bank. I come in and I negotiate to buy the judgment because it's a judgment, and I can deal directly with the owner, get them to assign their interest in all of their real estate deals over, give them some cash, and I can come in on the back end of an HOA. All right, now the tax deeds, if it goes to sale, it wipes out the mortgage. So a lot of the stuff that we've been doing, we get free and clear properties, then we turn around and owner finance them. Anybody who'd be interested in that, learning that model up here in Michigan or Flint or Detroit, let me know because we're going to be leaving out, and not too many people know how to do what we do successfully. So this one over here, let's just look at some things that are coming up here. And you know what? Let's go. We're just going to go to Orange County. We'll go to Orlando. All right, Orange foreclosed. Orange County is in Florida, is the Orlando area. Everything surrounding it over there. All right. So I'm going to go to our calendar. And guys, if you're really serious about going to another level, making so much money, making boatloads and gobs of money, being able to walk away, take care of your family, travel. We've been on vacation. We vacation every month. So let me just see what we have here. Let's look at this one right here. So it's a certain type of property that I'm looking for. Hopefully it shows up on this one here. 201, 157, 461. Let's see if what I'm looking for pops up here. Nope, not on that date. Just going to go to a different day and see what I'm looking. Nothing there. next auction. So what I'm doing is I'm looking for a low amount, normally under $20,000, which basically means that it is an HOA that the homeowners association is closing on. Once again, they don't have to notify the bank for these also. So let's just see what's if there's anyone here. And okay, nope, that's not one. It's not one. Guys, when it comes to earning money, taking care of your family, you got to learn, especially people of color, we have to learn how to start operating in trusts, start doing things in a manner where we're protecting our assets. Okay, this one right here, final judgment amount, $11,500, but the property is assessed at $221, so you can put another 30% or $60,000 onto that. So that property is worth $280,000 to $300,000. And it's going to be, when you know what to do, you can pick it up for about the $11,595. And then there's ways to come in and stop all of that and put tenant buyers in there and sell them the properties on owner financing. I've been going all around the country doing this over and over again. So guys, just want to give you a little background on who I am. I am doing the auctions this weekend. I'm going to put my phone number, my information. Give me a call. The number is 313-321-7582. 313-221-7582. 313-221-7582. Look forward to speaking to you and making some money with you, or at least helping you get a home. But, my whole thing on even having homes is not to go work to pay for my bills, but to set up assets to pay for my lifestyle, to have other people paying for your lifestyle. It's called OPM, other people's money. Hopefully that makes sense to you. So with that being said, thank you for your time. Cecil Jones here. Give me a call. I'll put all my information. And we got an auction going on this weekend. You can stop the auction. You don't have to go through the process. You can come meet me, walk with me, talk with me, go through the properties. And if it's something that makes sense and you're ready to close, let's make it happen. All right. I'm looking for high achievers out there, guys that want to make a difference, guys that want to go give back, do some philanthropic work, but just really learn how to take care of our families and create an empire, because we are royalty. All right. That's my time, guys. Peace.